welcome back to yet another favorites, and this time it is January favorites. So without any further ado, let's get started.
So, starting off with makeup favorites as usual, I have a lipstick here with me from Maybelline. It's their Ulti Matte lipstick. It's a new launch by them, and I have the shade More Top. And firstly, the packaging looks so nice. It has this ombre packaging, and it is a creamy lipstick, and it's such a beautiful shade. Perfect nude for everyday use, and I think Indian skin tones पे बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. I got it for 350 rupees, which I think is a great price, and it is so comfortable, so mattifying. I have been non-stop wearing this only. It is so good.
So for me, the first thing is a skincare product. So this is an argan oil by Pilgrim. So this is a brand which is quite trending right now. I got this in PR. मुंबई में winters चल रहे थे और skin बहुत dry हो गई थी. So oil was my go-to because I'm already dry skin person. So I need facial oils during winter especially. This is a really nice oil. ये ज़्यादा अपने face को oily नहीं बना देता है. Like when you apply it, yes, it is a little dewy, but ये अपने skin में बहुत अच्छे से absorb हो जाता है. And ये ना next day तक मेरे skin में softness देती है. और ना काफ़ी बार कोई चीज़ें ना next day तक नहीं रहती. Like अगर मैं रात को लगाऊँ, सुबह तक my skin is all dry. But this literally gives dewiness till the next day.
Then the next product that I have is the Revitalizing Cleansing Clay Detox Mask by Bath & Body Works. This we got on a discount. हम दोनों साथ में ही थे. The actual MRP is for 1700 rupees and we got it for 700 rupees, which I think is a steal, especially when you see the quantity. Like भाई इतना ज़्यादा face mask है. Obviously you're not going to use it every day, so this is going to last you for a really long time. And firstly, this smells so good. मैंने आधे सेकंड के लिए भी ये खुला नहीं, but यहाँ पे इतनी अच्छी fragrance आ रही है. And it's a clay mask, so your skin just feels absolutely clean after you wash it off. I just keep it on for 15 minutes and then wash it off, and it has vitamin E in it, so ये बहुत ज़्यादा drying भी नहीं हो जाता है like other clay masks. Your skin actually feels hydrated, and ये बहुत ही clean लगता है skin. We have tried another mask as well in the past from Bath & Body Works. वो भी मुझे बहुत पसंद आया था, and I'm so glad I picked this up because this has been my current obsession.
The next thing which I have is this Lotus hair mask. ये आपने पिछले एक vlog में भी देखा होगा. I used it on camera. It is really good. I've been using it since a month now, and I've been seeing a lot of difference in my hair. जब मैं hair mask लगाती हूँ, मेरे बाल 2 दिन तक एकदम soft और shiny रहते हैं. हाँ, थर्ड डे पे वो dry हो ही जाते हैं, but that is the reality. But I genuinely love this hair mask.
Then moving on, I have this sudden obsession with the color lilac, lavender, whatever you want to call it. मतलब I have been so obsessed. मतलब that color has been going around. मतलब काफी time से, but पता नहीं मुझे क्या हो गया. So I bought a phone cover of that color. ये अभी कैमरा पे बहुत blue दिख रहा है, but it isn't blue. I got it from Amazon. I usually am not a person that goes for colorful phone covers. I'm always like the neutral or transparent or maximum black. But I am obsessed with it. It looks so nice. And then my nails, they are also lavender. मतलब I cannot believe I got like a lavender nail paint. But I think it looks very decent. बहुत ही ज़्यादा झटक lavender नहीं है. And you can see on the screen मैंने 2-3 lavender tops and सब चीज़ें भी खरीदी हुई है because seriously बहुत बड़ा obsession हो चुका है. But it's a pretty color. It looks very good on almost all skin tones. So अब मैं देख रही हूँ कि मैं और क्या खरीदूँ lavender. जब तक मेरा obsession है तब तक चीज़ें ले लेती हूँ. So yeah, I'm obsessed with lilac lavender.
So the next thing which I have are chocolates. These are milk chocolates. So मैं जब महाबलेश्वर गई थी वहाँ पे हमने एक चीज़ फैक्ट्री में गए थे. वहाँ पे चॉकलेट फैक्ट्री भी था. So this is by a brand called as Pure Gold. So they made these chocolates. They were making these chocolates in front of us. वो लोग ने पूरा process बताया and all that. So वहाँ से मैंने ये milk chocolates के पैकेट लाया हुआ है. तो इसके अंदर ना छोटे छोटे पैकेट्स हैं. You can always keep it in your bag and eat it. और बहुत अलग अलग variants है इसमें. Fruit and nut, roasted almond, crunchy chocolate and milk chocolate. I feel these are really nice और ये काफ़ी reasonably priced भी था. I guess 200 या 300 rupees का पूरा पैकेट था. And they say that they have some nutritional value also. That I'm not sure about. Chocolate में क्या nutritional value, but ठीक है. I really like them.
And even I have a food item this time. These are wheat and jaggery cookies by Snackable. I was on the Snackable website a couple of weeks ago and I went crazy. The thing is, whenever I binge watch anything. I need to have something to munch on. And अभी recently बहुत binge watching हो रही है मेरी और डिंकल की actually. So वो I literally was having like 2 packets of Lay's साथ में, which was not healthy at all. So I was like, let me just see something healthy, and I came across these. Now these contain no preservatives, no sugar, and they say it's a rich source of protein because yes, it has wheat and jaggery in it, which is great. And the best part about this is ये छोटे छोटे cookies है. So they are like very good. You want to taste it?
Yeah,
they are a bit salty, they are a bit sweet. Matlab they taste good. Like they taste good. And I bought like 4 different variants of these. I have the almond one, I have the coffee one, and I also have one dark chocolate one. But I think this one is my favorite. So that's why I'm showing you all this. This retails for 75 rupees for 70 grams of product. And ये पूरा आपको बहुत time लगेगा खत्म होने. You can't have like a lot, but 5-6 आप ऐसे ही खा सकते हो. So yeah, I really like this.
नेक्स्ट थिंग विच आई हैव आर चप्पल्स. ये वाले हमने बैंड्रा से लिए थे. दीज आर ब्लैक स्लाइडर्स. ये 250 के लिए थे एंड दीज आर सो गुड. सो तब मैंने ये क्यों लिए थे? बिकॉज मैंने हील्स पहने थे और मैं चल नहीं पा रही थी. दैट इज द रीजन मैंने ये लिए थे कि बस मेरे को फिलहाल के लिए कुछ चाहिए. एंड उसके बाद मैं रोज यही पहन रही हूँ. द ओनली थिंग विच आई डोंट लाइक अबाउट दिस है कि ये बहुत ज्यादा पतले हैं. तो ये काफी बार ऐसा लगता है कि जमीन पे ही चल रहे हैं. बट दीज लुक सो गुड एंड रिच. सो दैट इज द रीजन ये मैं बहुत frequently पहन रही हूँ and this have become my favorite.
Okay, moving on to our next favorite. I have this app called as Blinkit, which was earlier Grofers. So yeah, adulting. I am like obsessed with grocery shopping. So the thing is, इस पे ना whenever you order groceries, it would reach your location within like 10 to 15 minutes, and that is just so cool. And when they launched na earlier, they had this offer that they did not take any delivery charges, and abhi they started taking delivery charge, but that's also 5 rupees. So that is like all right. मतलब 5 rupees is fine. अगर 20-30 होता ना तो मैं फिर भी सोचती कि मैं शायद ना लूँ, but 5 rupees is fine. And literally even if you order like 1 packet of milk, like जो 20 रुपए का आता है, वो तो भी आपके घर आके देखे जाएगा. There's no minimum order value. There's no like, and everything is very fuss free. The app is very easy to use, and you get everything under that roof, like starting from snacks to fruits, vegetables, your masalas, milk products, everything. So I'm like obsessed with it. मेरी mom कभी instantly कुछ बोल देती ना कि यार जा नीचे लेके आ, तो I'm like no, I'm not going. I'm ordering it right away. It's just so convenient. मैंने कम से कम 100 बार उससे चीजें मंगवा ली होगी. I've been obsessed with it, so you should definitely check it out.
नेक्स्ट थिंग विच आई हैव आर दीज ईयरफोन्स. ये बहुत बेसिक से ब्लैक कलर के ईयरफोन्स है जो मैंने अमेजोन से लिए थे. दिस इज बाय अ ब्रांड कॉल्ड एज स्पीकरॉन. दीज आर सो गुड. सो दिस इज अ नेक बैंड. मैं जिम जाती हूँ या मैं वॉक कर रही होती हूँ, वर्कआउट कर रही होती हूँ, तो वो जो नॉर्मल ईयरफोन्स है वो मेरे को इतना कंफर्टेबल नहीं रहता है. एंड वो जो एयरबड्स है वो तो मेरे से नहीं जमता, वो निकल ही जाता है मेरे से. सो दीज आर लाइक वेरी कंफर्टेबल एंड वेरी नाइस. एंड द बेस्ट पार्ट इज कि इसकी बैटरी ना बहुत ज्यादा दिन रखती है. लाइक 1 वीक तक इसको चार्ज करने की जरूरत ही नहीं पड़ती है.
That's so nice.
That is really nice. And this was not that expensive. I guess 400 rupees तक का था, which is really good. I've been using it for 2 to 3 months now, and I've been really loving it.
Then the last thing that we have is our favorite day of the month. So you might have already seen the vlog. I went to the Statue of Unity with my family, and सब details and सब कुछ description box में होगा. But overall, that trip was so good. It was just a 1-day trip, but it was such a nice getaway. I went in a proper train out of Mumbai after so long, literally almost after a year. So that felt really nice. The weather there was really nice, and I planned everything from scratch. तो उसका तो अलग ही मजा होता है. So yeah, let me know in the comments how you found the vlog. But yeah, that was the highlight of the month for me.
For me, even my travel with my family was the highlight of the month. I went to Mahabaleshwar with my mom, dad. हम तीनों अकेले बहुत टाइम के बाद गए, वरना यूजुअली कोई ना कोई साथ में होता है. इट्स लाइक अ ह्यूज फैमिली ट्रिप, बट दिस वाज सो पीसफुल, सो रिलैक्सिंग. हम कुछ प्लान करके नहीं गए, बस बैग पैक करके चले गए. एंड देन इट बिकेम सच अ नाइस ट्रिप. लाइक हमने जो नॉर्मल चीज़ें महाबलेश्वर में जाके करते हैं, मार्केट, मैप्रो, वो सब तो किया ही, बट वी डिड समथिंग वेरी डिफरेंट, लाइक पैराग्लाइडिंग, गोइंग टू fort and all that. So it was really nice and it was a relaxing trip.
So yeah guys, that's it for this video. We hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, then
please don't forget to like, share, subscribe to our channel. Also click on the bell icon there to get notified every time we upload a new video.
And we shall see you all in our next video now. Bye.